my God, it's crazy. The wind's crazy right now. Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Oh, another monster walleye! Another monster! Woo-hoo! Shit! 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 Monster walleye! There! Come on, guys. Ow! I knew I was gonna get cut. Fish. I knew I was gonna get cut. Damn! How big is this guy? What? You see it? $5.51, 5.5. These are crazy. All wet. My jacket is all wet. Got a bite? There we go. Whitey. 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 Whitey's coming in. Whitey's coming in. Feels big. Yes. Yes. is very slow. They're not in big schools. Oh, fish on. Jerk bait. Oh, feels big too. Oh, is this a big walleye? Oh shit. Oh, big walleye, big walleye. Big walleye. Oh shit. Shit. Chill, bro, chill. Oh, look at that. It's jumping like a bass, dude. Chill, dude. Damn. Woo. Oh shit. Jerk bait, baby. Damn, how do I grab this guy?
A switch.
Oh, this guy's not as big as my other one, but it's pretty nice. Dang, this guy going right in the water, man. So this guy's going right in the water. Got one? Missed it? Let's go.
My mimic.
Let's go. Let's hope it's not a northern. Just careful, Taujon is very slippery. Because all that weed there. Seaweed. Throwing the jerk. Man, that guy just got heavy, dude. It just felt like a freaking log. Oh, there we go. Ooh, 2 for 2, baby. 2 for 2. Oh my god. Too confident. That was a whitey. That had to have been a whitey.
I don't know, it's out.
Did it? It might be a walleye. Dang. It's too aggressive with that. Come on. Come back. Damn, 2 for 2, I missed it. Ah, they'll come back. Oh, there we go. Told you they'll come back. Oh my god, broke me off. I should have checked my knot. Oh my god. I lost my 110 junior. My wacky reaction too. The one that they don't make no, or it's hard to get. Dang. Oh, did it snap off? That's what happened to me earlier too, man. I don't know why I'd be doing that sometimes. Oh, there we go. Fish on, finally got one again. Little walleye. It's too small, bro. Go get your big bros. Or we'll get your cousins, the white bass. Go get your cousins. Or go get your friends, actually. They're not related to you. Alright guys, it's literally 4 in the morning. 4:30. I just caught this big ass walleye. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's get a weight on him. Caught him on the 110 junior, man. Walleyes love that too. Big ass walleye. 6.74. 6.76. Oh, 6.70 now. Lock it. I don't know. I think that might have broke my PB, man. You're getting pretty lucky.
Watch me get stuck now.
Yep, those are ducks. Yep. Oh, that's a fish. Oh my god. What the hell? Why am I missing all these fish? I thought it stuck, but then it started moving. I didn't even set the hook. Dang.
Yeah, they hear it now. Oh my god.
See that? Came off too?
Oh, yeah, that was a... Hold it, that was a better one.
That's how mine was too. What the hell? Why are they all missing? Let me go back to my jerk.
Come on, man, that was a good one. No, hold right over.
Oh, there we go.
Come on, keep going on there.
Let's go. This one's fighting like a walleye though. Nope, it doesn't feel as big. Oh, actually, it might be a whitey. Yeah, it is a whitey. There we go. Let's go. Finally. This time he inhaled it. It's not the end of the boat ramp. There we go. Yes. Woo, whitey. That was pretty far out. I don't know. But this feels bigger, so it's all good. Just, yep.
There's one, there's more.
Yep. There come, dang, he held it.
Far as hell, let's go.
He held it. Go to the drop off. Oh, there you go. I told you to go to the drop off. Faster. Go to the drop off. That's a righty. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Maybe a good walleye. It's kind of head shaking like a walleye. Yep, it's a walleye. Keeper. Not as big as my other ones, but bigger than those babies. Hey, that current area looks nice. Should I go to the right of Cassini or just right here? See that boat's just telling me about it, huh? Alright, let's see if I can catch some. Right here.
I'm trying not to say anything so loud because I don't want them to know.
Đây có là luôn đấy, bé của chị châu. Để ha, để mua rau trời. fast. Oh, there we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's right by this current area. Oh man, this is a nice one. It's hella pulling. Come on. Come on. Yes. There we go. First cast over here. Baby. Let's go. Let's hope the bite is all morning. That'd be nice. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Lên nhót từ từ. This guy's a fighter. Oh, there we go. Rồi nhắn đợi chia cờ nó phóng nó chỉ to thì mà reel back không? Cause là nhát to to. I'm on. Small guy. Oh wait, he's swimming towards me. Oh, he's not too. Oh, he's good. Lấy nhóc về nó. Yeah, I'm catching over here too. 2 for 2 now, guys. Joe, come over here, dude. 2 for 2. Switch color. So just throw it, let it drop like 5 seconds, 4 seconds, and then just slowly reel it back. Oh, see. Oh my God, I bit it on the drop. I missed it. I was still messing with my GoPro. Dang, did it on the drop. They like this little green, more green color. Oh, see? Oh my God. Every cast, dude. Every cast now. Yep, just stand right there and throw towards where that bird is. as far as you can. Yep, and then just let it drop. Wait like 5 seconds, and then just slow reel it back. There you go. Told you. Just slow reel it back. They're deep right there. They're back. They're back. Let's see if I can get one. Oh, I just had a tap. Don't lose them. That's a nice one. Drag him up. Yep, that's a nice one, dude. Damn, that's a nice one. Nice mama, dude.
There we go. Finally, skunk or keeper.
Oh, there we go. They're coming back. Come on, dude. Cassini, throw it and wait for like 5 seconds. Let it drop. And then just slow reel it back.
Dang, I don't want to go back to the hotel yet.
I know. Somebody got... Oh, there's a walleye. There's a walleye, dude. There's a nice walleye. Damn, he held it. Fuck. Checkout is either 10 or 11.
What time is it right now?
It's 9:30.
So...
If we would have checked out, if we would have just grabbed all our stuff.
I know, that's what I was like.
Yeah.
Really, I was like...
But, dang, I didn't get that one.
That right there.
Something jumped. There we go.
Damn, man.
Yep. You gotta let it drop right there. Right in the middle. Right in the middle there. Let it drop and then just slow reel it when it hits the...
Dude, what if I had a mimic?
Oh my god!
Oh, yo!
That was a big one.
That was the same one?
I just checked my knot. It was still good. Oh, dang. Did I cross you? I'm good. There we go. Better not lose this guy this time. Nice size. Don't lose him. Yes. That wind's kind of picking up. Wonder that's like the more trên trời mưa. But nó lại nhớ the. Oh, there we go. That was the one, but it was for me. But it was me instead. Yeah. Chill, bro, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Oh my gosh, where are you going? He's not even that big. Yep, he's just a fighter. Well, actually, it's not bad.
Not bad.
Just show y'all because I'm running out of line. Something just jumped there? What, did you see it?
It looked like contact. I think it was a northern.
Oh. Might be a northern then. There we go.
It's hot. Doing the exact same thing.
Just,
Switch my minute, bro.
just gotta reel it slow. Like I said, let it drop to the bottom and reel it slow. Bro, oh, come on. Another decent one. There you go. Ooh, shit. Decent one. Yep, that's a nice one.
I've seen more northern spots in the last 2 days than I have in the last fucking 5 years.
There we go. Damn, this guy hella fighting. Come on, don't go down. Come up. There you go. Come up, brother. It's not even that big.
Sorry for Sweet Joe. Really? That was pretty decent.
Actually, he is pretty decent.
Okay, 4 yards.
You gotta know the retrieve, man. I told you to retrieve. You gotta. Just had a hit. There we go. Came back. It came back, baby. It came back. This one's smaller. The bigger ones, they go deep. The small ones, they come up. That's how you could tell. Man, they do almost limit. That means they were biting hella good. It was every cast this morning then. There we go. Ooh, little walleye. That's a keeper.